Take control of your detailing operations. For a faster, efficient, and productive detailing process, the Automagic TruAdvantage system is the solution you need. The initial setup of the system includes the shelf and dilution boxes. Our Automagic TruAdvantage system is designed with superior quality, highly concentrated products designed to create less mess and eliminate manual mixing. In this video, we will explain how to best install the new Automagic TruAdvantage system. We will begin by setting up the diluter boxes. Each diluter box will come with its own mounting bracket. These can be attached to one another by sliding them into place, or they can be mounted individually in different areas of your shop. Next, hold the mounting brackets up to the wall and ensure that it is level. Pencil mark where the holes to be drilled will go. Drill the holes and insert anchors into each hole as needed. Attach the mounting bracket to the wall with the included screws and washers. Next, we will assemble the diluter boxes. If you are mounting a single unit, the diluter box is ready to be attached to the mounting bracket now. If you want more than one diluter box to share the same water supply, follow these instructions. On the back of the diluter box, pull out the gray clip that holds the end cap and remove the end cap from the diluter box. Insert the coupling nipple into the diluter box and close the gray clip around it. To attach the next diluter box to the first one, pull out the gray clip and remove the water inlet. Then, attach the box to the coupling nipple of the first box and close the gray clip around it. If you want all three diluters together, remove the end cap from the second diluter box and insert a coupling nipple. Remove the water inlet from the third box and attach the box to the second diluter's coupling nipple. Close the gray clip around it. All diluter boxes should now be attached together with a coupling nipple and have one water inlet on the right side and one end cap on the left. Mount the diluter boxes to the wall by sliding them onto the mounting bracket. They should snap into place firmly. Once the Automagic TruAdvantage system is mounted to the wall, attach the water supply firmly to the water inlet on the right side of the diluter boxes. We recommend testing the water flow now to ensure all connections are watertight. We are now ready to assemble the shelf that will hold the Automagic concentrate products. Place the shelf backer onto the wall. Level and mark 4 hole locations with a pencil in each of the corner holes. Drill holes at the marked locations. After the holes are drilled, insert the anchors into the wall as needed. Next, place the shelf backer onto the wall and secure using the screws and washers provided. Insert individual bottle holders by sliding them into the top flange first, then dropping into the bottom flange. Now you're ready to place your Automagic concentrate products into the bottle holders on the shelf and begin using the diluter system. Place the desired concentrate product underneath the correct diluter box. Each diluter box is labeled accordingly. Insert the appropriate dilution tip into the diluter pickup system. Concentrate product labels display the proper tip to use. Then, take the included tubing and close a zip tie loosely around it. Slide the tubing over the diluter tip and diluter stem. Then, firmly affix with a zip tie. Hold the remaining tubing to the bottom of the concentrate product being used, and cut the tubing to the desired length. Ideally, the tubes should be long enough to reach the bottom of the product bottle. Slide the included white ceramic weight onto the tubing and close another zip tie loosely around the tubing. Then, insert the yellow foot valve into the end of the tubing and firmly affix with a zip tie. Place weight and foot valve into the container until the weight and foot valve rest at the bottom. Repeat this process for all other concentrate products. Turn each of the dials on the diluter boxes to the correct products and prime each line. Take control of your detailing operations. For a faster, efficient, and productive detailing process, the Automagic TruAdvantage system is the solution you need. You are now ready to use the TruAdvantage concentrate system.